You know where you are today, right? Yes, we can cause a lot of trouble if you send our children to fight and to die, poison the food, or try to delude us with ads that blatantly lie. Our children have minds meant for learning. If there is a God, then God lives in them. Books are not meant for burning. What is it you think that you must condemn? But no matter how hard you push us around, there's something around the bend.
Yeah, I'm Michael Candido. I'm here in, I guess, Menlo Park. We are today. I believe we're still in Anna Eshu's district. And we're here to pressure the Congresswoman to do the right thing. To support Medicare for all. She's one of the stalwarts, and not in a good way, against it. And, you know, we need her support to turn this country around. You know, the number of bankruptcies that are due to medical debt is just astronomical. It's unfair, it's unreasonable. Healthcare is a human right. People have a right to, when they get sick, not have to choose between money and death. And you know, it's time for a change in this country. If we can support the military, you know, 10 times the size of the next, or rather, we could spend more on the military than the next 10 countries combined, then why is it that we can't take care of our own people in terms of health care?
We're still here, choosing love over fear. When the lines are drawn, we're still here. We're still here, making it perfectly clear. When the lines are drawn, we're still here. Now, no matter how much you love to hate us, and fear is driving a stake in your heart, as long as the stars shine bright in the sky, love will keep doing its part. Now, yes, you may try to stop the music, but music has wings and flies over the walls. It's there when we dance, and there we romance. It's there when the dictator falls. So no matter how hard you push us around, there's one thing you need to recall. We're still here, choosing love over fear. When the lines are drawn, we're still here. We're still here, making it perfectly clear. When the lines are drawn, we're still here. Now sometimes we get sad and discouraged as old friends die and dreams slip from our grasp. But as much as we treasure our memories, we don't live in the past. Years can leave gray hair and wrinkles, and wisdom as well, I will hasten to say. So with walkers and canes, we are standing between young people and harm's way. And your job just got harder today, Because if you cut the arts and education and health care and disregard the Constitution, we are voting you out of this town. If you put children in cages, we are voting you out of this town. If you allow an esteemed congresswoman to be threatened violently in racist and sexist and unimaginable ways, that had to inspire other congresspeople to bring up a law to stop lynching.
So happy to see you.
Then we are voting you out of this town.
How do you feel?
Like healthcare helped me a bit.
Are you ready for your part? Because we're still here.